A quick update on the PAWS airdrop, guys. This is a very important update right now, and we know that the TGE is just around the corner, probably this very month. The stake is high that this month TGE is going to definitely come, and what people are actually asking is the total supply of this token, because the total supply is very important for all token. Okay, if the total supply is much, let's say 50 billion, 100 billion, or 500 billion, it means we're going to get much token, but the price is going to be very low. And if the total supply is very small, it also means that we're going to get little token, but the price will tend to be high as well. So this is very important right now. So let's discuss all of this in this very video. One important thing that we need to pay attention to is this their post on X. If you read this post right here, talking about 222k total supply, only 40k remaining. A lot of people are reacting to this very post saying the total supply is going to be 222k. I don't think this post refer to the total supply in terms of the token, okay? This is referring to the voucher, because if you read this, once they are done, minting of PAWS vouchers will be closed for good. And this is pointing to the voucher and not the total supply for the token, because a lot of people are not concerned about the total supply being 222k, okay, which is very, very small. This can turn out to be the total supply, but for me, it's very small, because if you look at it, if you do 222,000 and multiply this by $10, that is $10 per token, you're going to have 2.2k million market cap, which is very small. And if you do times 20, that is $20 per token, you're going to have $4.4 million market capitalization. However, this is not what I think the total supply is going to be. This is referring to the voucher, and that is very, very important. I also believe that the PAWS team is going to give us a clear information about the total supply of this very token. So let's patiently wait for that very announcement to come. However, personally, I have the range of the total supply from my search, and what I think the total supply is this token is going to be. It can fall short of this very range. It can go higher too of this very range. So the first thing from my search that I discover for the PAWS airdrop is a 1 billion total supply, okay? 1 billion. This is what I found out. 1 billion. And then the second one is 3.5 billion. That's the second one. And the third one is 5 billion. And the next one is 10 billion. Remember, the PAWS team have not come out with any total supply, but this is the range I am looking at the total supply to be, and it can be above that, it can be below that. But the most important thing is this very exposed, this very 22,000 total supply. I don't think this is going to be the total supply, but there are possibilities it can be as well. So this is what we need to pay attention to right now as we wait for the TGE. And one thing that is also very, very important right here is this very last post on the PAWS community. No more quest promise. Farming season is almost over, and no more quest will be available. Maybe the last one only. So we are not sure whether they're not going to give any quest again because of this very last comment. Maybe the last one only. So we have to patiently wait for the team to do their job and also prepare for the TGE. Now, one thing that is very important here is that for us to be very sure that this airdrop is going to come and you're going to get the airdrop, please dot your I's and cross your T's so that you don't have anything missing out on you getting this very airdrop during allocation and claim it. This is very important, guys. So this is what I think the total supply is going to be within this very range, and this is very, very important. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comments. Thanks for your support.